Well, we've got another unboxing. Yeah, Ian, you already unboxed a Tamiya full option King Tiger production turret. Yeah, but so Tamiya never made a full option Porsche turret, which is we could all argue about it's a Krupp turret, as is the production or Henschel turret King Tiger. They're both made by Krupp. This was made to Porsche's design, that was made to Henschel's design, whatever. Either way, I went to an estate sale to pick up some winnings. A couple little 35th scalers. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Special edition 50th anniversary. This one has a motor. These are 35th scale. I don't build these. This one's got Aber photo etch with it. We bought these. Ultimately, I'm probably going to sell one or two of them on eBay, but I'm also going to use those because those are really sought after tank models. One of those is going to be the next giveaway on my channel. Now, we're at like 422 subscribers. My goal in life is not to have a monetized YouTube channel, but if we hit 500 subscribers, I'm going to give away a tank. I'm going to give away one of those 35th scale tanks. And then when we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll give away something else cool. But for this, I wanted to build a Porsche turret, full option, Tamiya RC tank. And I was picking up my stuff from the estate sale, and the guy running the thing said, "Hey, I got some other stuff." And he pulled this out. And I pulled out one crisp $100 bill, and this was mine. On eBay, these are going easily for $400 in completed auctions. So I think I got a pretty good deal because all I'm going to use it for, and I was honest with the guy, I said, I'm just going to bastardize this kit. Forgive me in advance. We are going, this is why we bought it. This is why I bought this. Not just this one piece, but obviously, so we have, the parts trees that you would expect, sprues. Here we've got the bottom of the turret. We're going to use that. We're going to use the top of the turret. What is this exactly? Is that from the production turret kit? I don't know. Wow, plastic barrel with this old. This is from 1994. This kit, it's pretty old. We've got some ring here, some mesh. We've got some mantlet. We're going to use some of that. Some more mantlet type related stuff. So we're literally just going to use exactly what we need. We've got, the upper hull here. We're not going to use this because we've got a perfectly good upper hull in our full option tank. We've got all this stuff. We're probably not going to use any of that. Got some foam. We've got the chassis tub. We've got the decals. Lots of wheel bits. We're probably not going to use any of this whatsoever. We've got this box here with, I lost a piece of foam. A lot of hardware bags. Everything appears to be here. My goal, hopefully, is to leave at least one complete 16th scale tank worth of model left over when I'm done using this for its, forget it, we'll do that off camera. My goal is to have at least one full buildable model kit worth of parts left over after I take the spoils of war from this kit to make myself a full option Porsche turret, as they say on the box, King Tiger RC tank. That's the goal here, people. So be excited. We are going to take two good tank kits, this one and my King Tiger over that way. We're going to take two good tank kits and make one badass full option RC tank out of the lot. It's going to have a paint job I've never done before. Some of you will like it, some of you will hate it, possibly. I have a sheet of ATAC Zimmerit coming for this. I have some final drive bearing supports and final drive metal, you know, whatever, the little things that you need to make this tank less breakable. Obviously, we've gone over all the other hop-ups we have for the full option King Tiger. We have metal tracks and some photo etch and some other things and bits and bobs. This is going to be cool as hell. This was a very short video. This is unlike me. I should do something else down here. I don't know what to do. I guess that's it. So, that's what we're doing. Taking this Porsche turret 16th scale kit from 1994, taking all the Porsche turret unique parts. I think the aluminum barrel from the production King Tiger, because it's turned aluminum, I think that'll probably fit in here, no problem. We may have to figure out some internal workings to make the innards of the production turret kit work inside the Porsche turret. Hopefully it's not too crazy, but otherwise, hey, it's us. We could do anything, sort of. So yeah, that's where we're at. We're gonna do that, and yeah, it should be a party. So that is, I think, officially the next build on the channel is going to be the Porsche turreted, full option Tamiya King Tiger RC tank with Zimmerit and kind of a what if paint job. I like what ifs. I was very happy with my United Nations What If Leopard 2A6. Some of you were very happy with it. Some of you maybe weren't so happy with it. I love that tank. I loved doing something weird, making a white tank. You know, sometimes when I have my tanks primered in NATO black, I'm like, ooh, I should just leave it in NATO black. It looks badass just in NATO black. But no, we're gonna do a paint job on it, but it's not gonna be original. I mean, other people have done it before. But it'll be cool, and it'll make me really love the final product of this tank and make it unique to my collection, because I have a lot of tanks. A lot of Tamiya tanks, at least. Not all of the Tamiya tanks. There's people with way more than me. Looking at you, Tom Huggle. That's just a screen name on the Tank Warfare forums. This guy's got more tanks than I've got excuses for not taking out the trash. But yeah, so it's gonna be cool. After this, in March, hopefully, we'll be doing an unboxing of the new British Centurion full option 16th scale tank from Tamiya. When I say new, I mean new to 16th scale, but I think it's the same as the 25th scale RC tank and the same as the previous model from the 70s, but hell, it's a Centurion and it looks badass, and we're going to build it. And we've already got plenty of ball bearings for it, apparently, because I overbought on the last model or two I've built. Either way, that's it. That's the plan. Get excited. Look forward to it. Porsche turret, full option, kicking ass in the basement garage. Coming soon. We just finished another thing that has nothing to do with tanks, but if you're on my channel, if you're subscribed, and you're a Ghostbusters fan, you might want to check that video out. It has completely nothing to do with this, but it's also showing my frustrations and failure. So, get a little kick out of that. Either way, guys, I'll see you next time. Adios.